Most people buying a compact SUV overpay for popular names like CR-V or RAV4. They think they're getting the safest bet. But what if I told you there's a hidden gem that can easily last 250,000 miles or more, costs less to maintain, and most buyers completely ignore? Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that combines reliability, efficiency, and near-luxury features, all without breaking the bank. I've spent 20 years inspecting cars in repair shops, pre-purchase checks, and customer consultations. Over the years, I've seen which SUVs fall apart early, which drain your wallet, and which quietly keep running for decades. The Mazda CX-5 is one of those rare SUVs that consistently earns respect, not hype. In this video, I'll show you why it's a smart buy, what to look for, and how to get the best deal if you're shopping for one today. Let's start with the heart of the CX-5, its 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine. This engine has been refined for years, delivering smooth acceleration, solid fuel efficiency, and proven longevity. Paired with Mazda's automatic transmission, it runs reliably and avoids the common issues seen in other brands. With proper maintenance, a CX-5 can easily reach 250,000 miles, and some owners report over 300,000 miles with minimal repairs. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. Expect 25 to 28 miles per gallon combined, which is excellent for a compact SUV. That means fewer trips to the pump and thousands saved over the vehicle's lifetime. Mechanics love this SUV because it's low maintenance. The cost of annual repairs is below the average for compact SUVs, so you're not just buying reliability, you're buying peace of mind. But it's not just reliable, it's also surprisingly refined inside. Higher trims come with near-luxury leather seats, intuitive infotainment system, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and blind spot monitoring. For a compact SUV, this is a premium experience at a fraction of the cost of luxury competitors. The CX-5 handles exceptionally well too. Mazda calls it driving pleasure for everyday life, and that's no exaggeration. It's responsive, stable, and makes city driving or long trips far more enjoyable than many other SUVs in this price range. Now here's why the CX-5 is a hidden gem. Compare it to popular options like the Honda CR-V or RAV4. The CR-V is more expensive, and while reliable, it doesn't feel as fun to drive. The RAV4 gets a premium for its name, but under the hood, it's similar to what the CX-5 offers. What many buyers don't realize is that you're paying less for the same reliability, same fuel economy, and often better handling. Even resale value. While it might not match Honda or Toyota exactly, the low maintenance costs and longevity make it a smarter financial choice over the long term. You're effectively saving thousands while getting the same or even better experience. If you're shopping for a 2026 CX-5 or even a 2023 to 2025 model, here's what to focus on. Service history. Check for regular oil changes, brake servicing, and tire rotations. Brakes and tires, nothing fancy, just ensure wear is consistent. Infotainment system. The touchscreen is generally reliable, but make sure it responds correctly. Trim and features. Higher trims give you leather seats, advanced safety features, and better infotainment. Who should buy this SUV? Long-term owners who want low maintenance costs. Drivers who want a comfortable and refined interior without paying luxury prices. People who want a vehicle that's fun to drive but also practical. Who should skip it? Those needing maximum cargo space or third row, buyers who plan to flip the SUV in 2 to 3 years. Its value shines over long-term ownership, not quick resale. In my shop, CX-5s rarely come in from major engine or transmission repairs. Brakes, tires, and routine maintenance are about it. That's why mechanics recommend it quietly to their families while everyone else overpays for other SUVs. The CX-5 combines reliability, low repair costs, fuel efficiency, and a fun driving experience. It's the kind of SUV that rewards smart buyers who look beyond brand hype. So, if you want a compact SUV that lasts 250,000 miles or more, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is one of the smartest options on the market. Drop a comment below if you've owned a CX-5 or are considering one. I'd love to hear your experience. And don't forget to subscribe for more hidden car gems, reliability tips, and buying advice dealerships don't want you to know. Remember, smart buying isn't just about the brand, it's about value, longevity, and enjoyment. The CX-5 delivers all three, quietly, without fanfare.